How to fix Play Store not downloading on Android phone. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is first thing you have to see the problem. If you have this problem exactly, all what you have to do is go to settings and then scroll down and go to the apps option, click on apps manager and then click on apps right here, and then all what you have to do is simple, just wait a few seconds and then search for Play Store like this and click on Google Play Store and click here on this storage option as you can see. And now all what you have to do is click on clear data and click on clear cache, and after that all what you have to do is click on force stop and go back, and now all what you have to do is restart your phone and the problem is gonna be solved easy and fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.